What is up, guys? It has been a hot minute since I have posted on this channel. So Thursday, July 12th, I'm going to be going live after work. So if you have time to swing by, it'll be around 4 p.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna go live on this channel, so swing by, say hi, hang out if you can, chat, I don't know, let's catch up. So I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, and I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a long time, like very, very long time. So I went in just picking up a couple things. I finally returned those chair cushions that I bought that had the palm leaves on them that were way too small, like they didn't fit any chairs that I own. So I ended up returning those, and I went in there for a couple different things. So I'm just gonna start grabbing from the bag. I picked up one of these Sink It plungers. I saw everyone talking about how great they were, so I wanted to just get one for myself to have on hand. I think it's really cute, and now I own one. I like to keep these little brown gift bags in my drawer just for any time that I'm trying to like give a gift to somebody. They go for like any occasion, and I don't know, I just really like the little brown ones. I picked up 3 of the collagen makeup cleansing wipes. This is what I end up taking my makeup off with every night. I picked up a LA Colors nude palette, not palette, but like face compacted pressed powder. This is what I just kind of use after I put my foundation on to like mat it down and keep it down. Dollar Tree got in these NFL band-aids, and at first when I saw them I was like, haha, that's funny. And then when I got up to the cash register, the person who was scanning all my stuff, I was like talking to her about it, and she was like, yeah, a lot of people are coming in and buying them and like using them for the games, like wearing them. So I was like, that's actually kind of funny. So I picked up 3 of these, and I'm gonna keep some for gifts and then use one for this season coming up. I picked up a new Palmolive Soft Touch dish soap, and I'm obsessed with this smell. It's almond milk and blueberry scented. It smells so flippin' good. I picked up some birthday cards. I picked up a shaving cream. I like to use the men's shaving cream. I don't know why, I just think it's absolutely better. I picked up a pack of these razors, which I don't remember them ever coming in a bag, but now they come in a bag. So I got those. But I also picked up this Lysol Fresh and Clean multi-surface cleaner. It makes 5 gallons, so you like mix it yourself. But it smells so good. It's cherry blossom and pomegranate scented. I also picked up this birthday candle with one musical holder. I'm unsure how this works, but it's supposed to sing happy birthday. I think you just twist it and it sings. And then the last 2 things that I picked up that I just had to go grab from the freezer were these. I saw a lot of people hauling this one, which is the strawberry funnel cake bites, but I also found blueberry muffin bites. So I don't know if I'm gonna try these this weekend or when, but I will film a video of us trying them. I might save them. I saw some people saying that they made them in the air fryer and that made them really, really good versus like putting them in a toaster oven. So might try that, not sure yet, but when I try these, I'll definitely let you guys know and let you know what I thought of them. If you've picked them up and tried them, what did you think of them and how did you make them? That is everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, it's a little short haul, but I thought it would be worth it to throw it up and show some of the things that I picked up. So I will talk to you guys in my next video and in my live tomorrow if you guys swing by.